Hello, welcome to Food Coma. My name is Jonjon Coma. I'm here with my wife Christelle Coma. Today is Saturday, June 3rd, and we are in San Mateo, California, where we are about to have some Vietnamese food at
Gao Viet Kitchen.
Gao Viet Kitchen, where we are waiting, as you can see, but it's the first time here, and we are really looking forward to trying the Fazilla. So stay tuned. Walking up, this is Mr. Gao, the owner of Gao Viet Kitchen. Hi, welcome to Food Coma. It's an episode that we're doing in San Mateo, California, where we're at Gao Viet Kitchen today, where we are about to attack the infamous Fazilla that you have seen on YouTube or TikTok. We just met the owner, Gao, a very nice, very gentleman, and asked him his philosophy about how he invented the Fazilla, and he told us that just comfort food, it's big, it's, you'll see in a few minutes when we get that plate. But we are here. It's a great establishment. So far, we have had great service. Our service is yay, and he's an awesome gentleman. So we want to make sure that we support local businesses here in San Mateo, California. Gao Viet Kitchen. Stay tuned.
You should go there and film their interior.
There is a menu that you can download with a QR code and start browsing while you are waiting to be seated. That is the owner, Mr. Gao, pictured there, featured on the menu. There are a lot of various dishes that you can order at Gao Viet Kitchen. As you can see, there is, different things that you can scan and look over while you are waiting to be seated. Noodle soup. You have starters, and you just start to scroll and see what you actually want. And they have a bar upstairs where you can have different beverages and also some coffee too as well. This is the filet mignon pho. Delicious, the chubby pho. Ooh, that looks delicious too as well. And the wok pho. Man, that is looking scrumptious. And the big Gao pho. But what we went and we attacked was the Fazilla. Yes. But if you don't want to order that, you've got spicy foods. There's different varieties. Lobster, old school, different types of soup. As you scroll through the menu, as you can tell, there is an extensive list and varieties on this menu at Gao Viet Kitchen here in San Mateo, California. Everything looks delicious. Their menu I'm very impressed with. Very colorful, very welcoming. It's almost as if it pops out of that menu in the pictures, like you can almost taste it. The pho roll looks delicious. Look at that. A lot of variety. Very unique.
You don't see this
You don't see much of these dishes anywhere around on a Vietnamese menu, and that's what Christelle and I were very, very impressed with. And not only is there a variety of items and entrees, like I said, there are very extensive beverage selections too as well. And on the house, my wife got the pho shot, and what we were told is, you know, you get to pick the type of alcohol of your choice, which my wife took and chose tequila. And as a chaser, you get to have the warm broth, the warm bone marrow broth, after you have taken a shot of that beverage. And also a wide selection of coffees. My wife ordered coconut coffee, and I ordered the hot Vietnamese coffee.
They're saying coconut coffee. It's really good.
How is it, babe?
Really good.
Yeah?
Really strong. Coconut coffee. I'm gonna be staying up all night tonight. Okay. What do you have there, babe?
We have grilled scallops. Oh no, grilled mussels. We have grilled mussels today. We were about to order some grilled scallops, but they didn't have it on the menu today. So it looks like we have some grilled scallops, some mussels with green onions. It looks like a little bit of peanuts that's sprinkled on it. We got some red onions that are at the base and the bed of the mussels, and it looks pretty good. And I think that there's a kind of a dip that goes along with it, but it looks delicious. So we're gonna get at it and have a little bit of some grilled mussels today.
Highly recommended.
What do you think on the mussels, babe?
Good.
Yeah? How does it taste? What is it? A little bit savory and sweet. The peanuts really give it a good crunch at the end. It's really good.
I'm gonna try the dipping sauce.
Yeah. What is that sauce?
I don't know. It's like fish sauce, vinegar, and thing, type of thing.
Okay. Yeah? Alright. So far, thumbs up. Highly suggest Gao Viet Kitchen here in San Mateo, California. It is a great establishment. Great service, great food, great company equals a great experience. So support local businesses. Vietnamese iced coffee, authentic. Check this out. It's actually going through the process of the brewing. It's perking as we see here. How awesome is that? And in a second, I'm gonna kind of showcase this Fazilla. Oh wow! It's a little bit spicy. It's got a sweet taste to it, a little tang. It's got a really good big kick. It's really, really good though. It's really delicious. So this is the Fazilla. It looks like it's got some beef ribs in it. We've got lobster. It looks like some bone marrow, green onions in it. And look how savory that looks. It looks like very fine noodles. Look at that. It looks delicious. We've got some green onions in here. And it just looks like it's going to be so delicious. This looks like very comfort food type of thing. So I'm really excited to go.
Dipping sauce for the lobster.
Yeah, and look at this. And I'm going to be serving this to my wife. Thin strips of, I believe this is beef.
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
Okay.
This part's for my wife here. Yeah?
Yeah, that's it for now.
So based on our food coma episode, we've met the owner, Mr. Gao, and he has been kind enough to, on the house, provide us with a pho shot. My wife, Christelle, is about to do it. She looks a little bit nervous, but she's gonna do well. It's spirit of the choice, and the spirit of the choice today is tequila, and you chase it down with the bone marrow broth. I'm excited to see it. I've never seen it done before, and my wife will be doing it. So we're going to share it on this food coma episode. So stay tuned. So here we go. I'm cutting into this beef right here. Oh, look at that! Fall off that bone. Fall off that bone tender. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and try to get something here going. All right. Appreciate it. Thank you so much.
So this is the pho shot.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, please.
So what you do is you put the soup in there.
Okay.
Okay.
And then you squeeze the lime, the jalapenos and salt. It's up to you.
Yeah.
And then you just take the shot first and then drink it.
Take the shot and then take the
Just
broth.
let it sit for a while. It's too hot.
Yeah, so it's a little bit hot. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
I appreciate it. How is it?
The broth is amazing.
Yeah. A little comfort food, warm broth.
Then I have my pho shot here. The house.
Pho shot on the house.
Thank you, Gao Viet.
And then we have the sauce for the lobster here. As you can see, we kind of polished off the grilled mussels over there. That was delicious. And if it's going to be anything like this, Fazilla, we're here for it, right? Okay, I'm going to go dig in right now.
Have you noticed something?
What?
Check your box.
Check my
Have you
what?
noticed anything? Anything missing or anything from a regular pho? There's no bean sprouts.
Oh,
Right?
okay.
Yeah.
There's no bean sprouts that's missing that we
Yeah.
usually are accustomed to in this. You know what? I'm gonna get a little bit more of that rib. It looks so delicious. It was actually fall off the bone tender. And if you can see this right now, we're just hacking the Fazilla right now. So here we go.
This is so savory.
I've gotten a little bit of the broth and a little bit of the noodles.
It's really good.
Oh, very delicious. Now I know why it's empty. Oh, very tender beef, ribs, meat fall off the rib bone. Meat, so tender.
Really good. Oh my god.
Very good broth. Great service. San Mateo, California. Gao Viet Kitchen. Highly recommended.
They have two branches, one in San Francisco.
One in
that
San
just
Francisco.
opened.
We're here today in San Mateo.
Man, this is so
Gao
good.
Viet. So before we came to Gao Viet Kitchen, my wife and I have been looking at different YouTube and TikTok about how shot that they provided us on the house from the owner, Mr. Gao, of the famous Gao Viet kitchen. And what it is spirit of your choice, which my wife chose tequila and some of the broth. And what they instructed us to do is to actually add sriracha sauce. So my wife is doing sriracha right now, and she's about to take the shot. Bottoms up, cheers. Takes the shot, and now downs it with a little broth with a little bit of sriracha. Ooh, how did that go? Yeah? All right, first fall shot. Awesome. Thank you staff. Thank you everybody here at Gao Viet Kitchen. It's been a wonderful experience. All the mixture of the fazilla with the beef strips and the ribs, the noodles, the broth that they prepare for 24 hours, and the lobster. Really a great combination, really great mixture. Very impressed with this. Please support local business here in San Mateo, California.
How's your experience, babe?
Oh, I highly suggest Gao Viet Kitchen here in San Mateo, California. We met the owner, Mr. Gao, who provided us on the house pho shot. We tackled the fazilla, that infamous fazilla from YouTube and TikTok. Our server, Ye, was a pleasant gentleman, and everybody, the supporting staff was great today. So please support local businesses, Gao Viet Kitchen here in San Mateo, California. Welcome to Food Coma.